Kate here at WTI, and the only thing better than a nice hot cup of espresso is being able to make it on the go. This is a portable espresso maker from COTGCO. It is literally the size of a water bottle, so you can take it with you absolutely anywhere. Now you can feel the quality of this machine. It is heavy, it's stainless steel, it feels really good in your hand, and it warms your water on the go so that you can have fresh espresso. It's very simple to use. You charge it up, the water goes in the top, the bottom unscrews, and you can put your pod. So this fits all sorts of different brands, so do your research. But your espresso pod goes in the bottom, you press this button for a few seconds, and it starts to warm the water. When it's ready, you'll hear a little beep, and then your espresso will come out the bottom. Now it's very cool. It comes with this cup. If you line it up properly, you can dispense your espresso right into the cup that it comes with, or you can hold it, but it's really nice to be able to be hands-free. Now, not only that, but it's self-cleaning. So this button on the bottom, you just remove your pod, put some water in and push that, and it'll clean it out for you. And then you just have to dry out the top. It does come with the charger. When you charge it up, you're good for many, many cups of coffee. So perfect for a weekend away camping or making your coffee in the car on the way to work. Whatever you want to use this for, it's going to be ready for you. We've been super pleased with it. The espresso tastes delicious. The temperature is perfect, and it's just enough water pressure to brew the perfect shot of espresso. I know that you will absolutely love this, or it would make an awesome gift, and that's my point of view.